Hello kids, how are you all? So today we are going to make a card. For any festival you can make this card as festivals are coming. So let's start. For that you need any colored paper. Not necessary that this one you have to take. You can take any other colored paper also for that. Okay. So let's start. What we will do, we have this A4 sheet size colored paper. We will fold this. We will fold it like this. We have folded now. So we will make a cut work type card. So what we will do, like this, we will draw like this. Okay. Now we will cut this. So after cutting this, it's your wish. You want to keep it like this, it's okay. And if you want to take another paper just to give a look like this. So it's also an A4 sheet. I'll just half it. And now I'll cut it. By doing that sheet half, I'll get this. Now I will open this and take a glue and I apply here like this. Apply glue here all over. From inside. On the left side only, where we have cut it. And then what we will do, keep this half page on it. And it will be pasted. And it will be pasted like this. So like this. What we will do now, we will place some flowers on it. Now I show you how to make the flowers. Just take any any square shape paper, like this of any color you can take. What you will do, just do it half like this and give it a turn like this, then and again turn like this. Then what we will do, mark it like this to make flower and then cut it. You can make any flower if you want. You can make any flower. And I am making this one like this. So we will make few more flowers. So like that I have made all flowers here. Then what's next? What we will do, take this card paper and start pasting the flowers. Like this. And this. And now we will decorate it. You can decorate it with any material whichever you have at home, whatever you have at home. Okay, like this. I have these, so I will decorate with this one. I'll pick it and I'll paste it here in the center. If you have any other thing, I repeat, you can paste it here. Just to give a little beautiful look, I am pasting it all over the flowers also. So now our card is done. I have pasted this beads here also. So it's looking beautiful. Here you can write anything, any festival name. It's whether it's Rakhi, whether it's Holi, whether it's Diwali. You can write here anything. It's your choice. And inside also here. So our card is made.